number line and add the following integers. Let us begin with the solution. Consider part C. Here we have -1 plus of -7. Let us consider the number line. To add -1 and -7 using the number line, the first step would be start from 0. Since we have -1 here, we need to move one step to the left from 0. So we will reach -1. Now we need to add -7 with -1. So what do we need to do? Yes, we need to move 7 units to the left starting from -1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 units to the left from -1. So we are reaching the number -8. So thus we have moved 7 units to the left from -1 and reached -8. Let us write it down. We reach -8 on the number line. Hence, we have found that -1 plus -7 is equal to -8 using the number line. This completes part C. In part D, we have -5 plus 10. We need to add these two integers using the number line. Consider the number line. To add -5 and 10, the first step would be start from 0. Since we have -5 here, we need to move 5 steps to the left of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have moved 5 steps to the left starting from 0. Since we are moving 5 steps towards the left, we are denoting this by -5. Next, we need to add 10 with -5. So now we are at -5. From -5, we need to move how many units to the right? Yes, we need to move 10 units to the right, starting from -5. Thus, we have moved 10 units, that is 10 steps to the right, starting from -5, and we reached 5. Let us write it down. We reach 5 on the number line. Hence, what can we say? After adding -5 and 10 using number line, we got the result as 5. Let us write the solution. Hence, -5 plus 10 is equal to 5. This completes the solution.